This video shows how to correctly insert the sample holder into the MiniTEM microscope using the sample exchange wizard. Before you begin, be sure the sample holder is clean and free of debris. See the separate sample holder maintenance video for details. You can either start the insert wizard directly after the remove procedure, or start by clicking the sample exchange icon, then choosing Insert Sample Holder. A window pops up on the screen to guide you through the process. The pictures in the wizard run on a loop, so there's no need to hurry. 4 monitoring tabs show the status of the beam, stage, pump, and airlock. If the beam is on, the wizard will automatically turn off the beam. Holding the black sample holder grip firmly with the leading Mortise pin straight up, push the holder straight in with a smooth movement until you reach stop. Do not turn yet. With your other hand, open the airlock valve. When the valve is open, the airlock status will turn yellow again. Wait for all monitoring tabs to be green before proceeding. If any of the tabs are not green, the Confirm button at the bottom is disabled. The rotation speed of the pump and the airlock status can be monitored by hovering over the corresponding tabs. Air evacuation may take a few minutes. When the MiniTEM logo light is solid, and all 4 monitoring tabs are green, then you know it is okay to continue the process. Turn the holder clockwise, approximately 45 degrees. With your thumb, push in the sample holder completely with a slow, straight, firm motion past the initial resistance until it comes to a stop. Do not push too much. Gently turn the silver nut clockwise just until it stops. Do not force it. Push the little pin on the end of the sample holder gently. Once the sample holder is inserted properly, click Done. The stage of the microscope will initialize automatically. This completes the insert of the sample holder into the MiniTEM microscope.